Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Renata and today I'm going to share with you how I make my bread from scratch without using a machine. Trust me, you can do it. It is fun. It does take a little time and getting used to. It's been a while since I've made this bread, but I thought with the new year I'm going to try my best to cook more at home and just give my family wonderful meals and just learn how to be a good homemaker in 2020. So I'm pretty curious, do you guys bake your own bread? If you do, how often do you do it? And if you do it often, do you guys use a bread machine or do you make it from scratch like I just did? It would be really interesting to find out, what the population does that bakes. I have to say I feel pretty pressured making this video. This is not my typical sort of videos that I make, and it was definitely a stress for me, but I wanted to try something new this year and I thought it would be really good to just share different things throughout the day and throughout my week that I do and things that are fun, especially since we just moved here from Wisconsin. We're in Texas and it's really nice learning this new place. But for now, let's just jump back into this video. As you guys can see that the yeast has been resting for the 10 minutes and I am currently sifting the flour here. It's going to go a little long, I think, but just know that from the ingredients list, I opted to go with 6 cups of white flour because that's what I had at home, even though they did recommend 2 cups of whole wheat. So that's why you don't see any whole wheat here, because the cupboard just doesn't have any. So this is what I went with. What else is going on here? Yeah, I'm gonna be sifting for a little while, so yeah, let's go back to some music and then I'll pop back in after. So I totally lied. The wait wasn't completely as long as I thought. Okay, so what you saw just happened there was I put the half tablespoon of, I lied, the 1 tablespoon of butter into the yeast mixture, and then I gradually added some flour. I tried to use the spatula, but then it just wasn't working, so I went old-fashioned. I got my hand in there. So I'm going to just add these flour in and then mix with my hand, and there is another tablespoon of flour because I've made this before and it is a little dry with that 1 tablespoon, so I just decided to go with an extra tablespoon of butter and it worked out well in the end. If you've never made bread by hand, it is very interesting. It's a sticky kind of feel, and if you don't like that, maybe you just want to go with a bread maker. I've never used one before, but that might be an option for you. So I'm going to continue here adding the flour and mixing, and I will pop back in soon.
There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Okay, so right here you see that I'm kneading the dough and I added more flour to the bowl. We're going to continue doing this for a little while until I get all 6 cups in this bowl here.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end.
So taking some time to knead this dough here into a ball and just let it set for about 5 to 10 minutes before I put it actually into the bread pan.
You gotta raise a little hell, and I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Facing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When it's sun.
Right here I am adding the butter to my bread pan and I'm trying my best to really coat it heavy. The last time I made the bread in this pan, it kind of stuck, so I just decided to go pretty heavy with my butter and make sure I didn't miss anything. And right now, you guys, I am just trying to get my hands clean, dry it up, and move some stuff around. I have a few things going on at the moment, then I just wanted a little space. So I'm going to roll these into a nice little cylinder shape and then put them in the pan to glaze. That typically takes about a half an hour or probably an hour, just depending on how patient you are. Usually I'm never patient when it comes to homemade bread. I want to get it in the oven really quick and get it out so that I can just load it with butter and enjoy it. So let's just do some cleaning and go back to some music.
Sometimes you're too much. I'm down, then I'm up. I know I'm hard to love. I know I'm hard to please. I'm never happy, it seems. But you put my heart at ease when it's crashing like the seas. I know I'm hard to please. But baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, baby, if it were easy, it wouldn't be no fun.
I wanted to pop in and say thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. I know I haven't been around much over the last 24 months on my channel, but I thought that this is something nice to introduce to it, a little bit of my life and things that I do throughout the day and throughout the week. So if this content is something that you really like and you want to see more, please consider subscribing as well as giving this video a thumbs up, because this really helps my channel to grow, and then I know that the content I'm sharing really resonates with you and it helps you and it gets you excited about doing various things in your life as well. So yeah, thank you so much again.
Nothing like what we got.
Trust me, friends, we're getting to the bread really soon. It seems like washing dishes take forever when you do it by hand. It's not the most fun thing to do, but I actually enjoy it because I feel like I do a better job than my current dishwasher. So let's take a minute to appreciate those people that wash dishes by hand. You guys rock.
If you take one step, then you will be a little closer to your dream than if you stay just where you are. Keep that chin held up and fight your battles with your feet. And both bear, you'll find a path that has your.
Okay, the bread is out, and here I am just kind of making sure everything is nice and easy to pop out when I turn it over. But guess what? No matter how much butter I placed on that darn bread pan, it took a little while and a little working to get that bread out. So I'm not sure if I should use like ham or if I should continue using the butter. But eventually it came out, and I think it turned out really great. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I will see you again on my next upload. Have a wonderful day.
Pages of your mind just what